All right, I just got this new handlebar sent to me. I ordered it from Amazon. It's from Wake. Well, I think it's under 30 bucks, but it wasn't very expensive. And it's this Comp Series. There were some specs. Oh, here's some specs on it right here. So this is a 720 millimeter wide, 30 millimeter rise, and the clamp is a 31.8. So it can fit on this. It can fit the standard. So this is the original stem. I've got a new stem coming. That's not going to be here for a couple weeks. But what I wanted to get. Whoops. What I wanted to do is I wanted to get some rise out of it. So this is going to actually give us a little more height in the bar. They're going to be swept back a little bit. So I'm going to get this put on and we'll see how it feels. All right, I got my new handlebar installed. So this is it's a Wake. And probably put a couple hours of writing on it, and I really like it. I think it fits a little bit better. If you can see on the side profile here, it's swept back a little bit and it's raised up a little. So the bars are a little close, the handle grips are a little bit closer, and they're a little bit higher than the stock one. I still have the stock stem on here. I have another one of those ordered, a little bit shorter. But I really like the handlebar. It's got these nice little arrows. See these arrows right here? You're able to make sure it's centered so it's, even on both sides of it. So the ergonomics, the comfort of it might be a little bit better for me once I get the stem replaced, but that probably is not necessary. I'm just going to try it out and see. But I'm happy with how the new bars are. I like the look of them. And I like the look of them. I think the bar looks a little better. The bike looks a little better having a little curvature to the handlebars. So I'll give an update as I use it more, as I get the new stem on, as we make more modifications. But thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks.